Sanibonani guys, welcome back to another episode recap of Uthando Nesithembu. I want us to talk about a scene between uThobile and uMusa on the latest episode about basically Musa clearing the air about uThobile, who came first between uThobile no Mayeni. So Musa basically is saying ukuthi uThobile was being tricky. Umakhumalo, she was being tricky, and yeah, he doesn't know ukuthi yini inhloso yakhe, like what was her intention in mentioning ukuthi when uMayeni, when she was getting married, uThobile basically was living in Mzumbe already. Hey, like indaba yakhona guys, maybe ichaza, I'm just like, what Thobile is basically saying is that when Umayeni came into the picture, she's basically saying she was a wife already. uThobile is saying by the time bekhiphela Umayeni ilobola, she was staying in Mzumbe already, and bebeseqalisile ngamalobolo kwaKhumalo. That's basically what she's saying. So obviously, if she's saying that, that is her indirectly saying, ukuthi she was supposed to be wife number 2. That, yeah, she was supposed to be wife number 2. But one thing I want to say about uThobile, guys, is that throughout the seasons, I feel like Thobile has made a lot of sacrifices, right, for all the wives, and I feel like there's a truth in what she's saying. I don't think umuntu angavela aqamba about something like out of the blue, but I feel like Musa ukhulise uThobile. He started dating uThobile at a very young age, and I feel like he's groomed her. And Thobile has always been the type to kind of like do things for uMusa. Like as long as she's doing it for uMusa, then it's fine. So even if ingaphuma one day ukuthi vele wakhiphela uThobile amalobolo kuqala before uMayeni, I'd believe it, guys, because uThobile is that type. uThobile is the type that she would rather put her wedding off. She'd rather put her stuff off just so that the other wives can get what they want. And I don't think she's doing it from a place of because she loves the other wives. It's because she loves uMusa. Throughout the other seasons, you'd see Musa basically says indirectly that Thobile is the understanding one. If he has a problem that needs a solution, he can go to uThobile and speak to uThobile, and Thobile is willing to make the sacrifices. That's the difference between uThobile and the other wives. But the problem comes in that uThobile, I feel like she does, and she's willing to make the sacrifices, but at the end of the day, she still wants to be rewarded in a sense and known for the sacrifices that she makes. And I think this season maybe she's been bottling it up because guys, there's so much you can do for people. And uzothola ukuthi there's many things that she's done for other wives. There's many things that she's done for other wives that other wives don't even know about, that only Musa and her know about. And this season, I feel like uThobile has been bottling that up for a long time. And I feel like maybe even in next season, depending on if she decides to continue like this, I think maybe we're gonna see more of the real her. But for the past seasons, I just feel like she's just been like, she plays like deputy husband. She is just whatever Musa needs to get done, she wants to be Musa's piece. That's the thing. So uMusa basically is saying that he wants to clear the air pertaining what uThobile said about ukuthi yena wafika eMzumbe kuqala. She was the first wife eMzumbe. So he said that he wants to clear the air because to a person who's receiving and listening to these news, it can come off in another way. So he clears the air by saying, when I married Umayeni, though you were staying in Mzumbe, you were still a girlfriend. He's basically saying, though you were staying in Mzumbe, I married Umayeni while you were still a girlfriend. And in uThobile asho I can only explain ngikaze lokhu ngikwaziyo. Besides that, I can't speak on anything else. But she stands on that she spoke the truth, and there's nothing else that she wants to add on top of that. And she basically says ukuthi, like her and Musa, she doesn't know where this conversation's coming from, but she feels like um ukuthi like other people understanding the situation in a wrong way is what's gonna make her and Musa like fight over the situation, whereas there's nothing. And I don't feel like there's nothing. Musa was even saying Utobile was being tricky by mentioning that, and he doesn't know what drove Utobile to speak like that. I will tell you what drove Utobile to speak like that. Tobile is basically saying that she should have been wife number two. That's what she's saying. And the reason why I think Tobile is like acting out the way she's acting out is because this woman has made too many sacrifices. And one thing I will tell you about Musa, Musa is selfish. And selfish in a way that he has a vision that he needs to fulfill, and he will do anything to fulfill his vision. And I think Utobile has done everything in her strength to, to fulfill the vision. Maybe in a sense, she has like, and she feels guilty in a sense that she could not add onto the number of children that he wants. And maybe that's the reason why, she acts and behaves the way she does. Because Musa does say, when a woman has a child, she is selfish. The moment a woman has a child, she thinks of a child first. And you can see with the rest of the other wives, they have children. They can see which Musa will always be Musa. Musa will go after what he needs to go after so that he can push his vision. But I need to be here for my kids. So I don't think Utobile has, that mindset, because she doesn't have, though she has umpilo, but she doesn't have that responsibility like that, if I can put it like in that way. And that's why I think maybe she feels like, because I can contribute in this way, then I should, give this man full support. But anyway, Utobile, I just feel like she's just been suppressing her personality and suppressing herself. And maybe she's quite tired, you guys. Like Utobile has been there for everyone, guys. Let's not lie. Let's not lie. I know a lot of people don't like Utobile, and this season I don't like the way she's been moving, like the way Utobile. Like, why did she even feel the need to comment and make a comment on that? Like, it was so unnecessary. But for Umamkhulu, Utobile has been there. There's so many times when Umamkhulu no Musa had an anniversary, she bought them a trip, a getaway trip, like she organized their anniversary. She's done a lot. The only person that I think she hasn't done much for is Umayeni. And I think the reason, like there's resistance between Umayeni and Tobile, there's something that's going on there. But Umakhumalo, she does say that there was an instance when Utobile and Umayeni came to know of one another when they were still girlfriends. So I think there's something there that's going on that Umayeni doesn't want to speak about it. And Utobile basically wants Umayeni to speak about it, but Umayeni akekho lapho. Mara Umayeni is acting out, because you can see there's just a vibe. Abazwani, those two. So I think even because Umayeni has put boundaries, that's why Utobile has not been able to go beyond lanes for Umayeni. But besides that, the two of them are bazwani. Umangwabe, basically, we've heard that Umangwabe was introduced to Umusa through Utobile. So Tobile is just that person. She's just been Musa's anchor. And I feel like if she continues like this, she's gonna get to a point where she's going to resent Umusa. Because she's gonna end up feeling like, I've done so much for you and your wives, and I still don't feel like I'm appreciated enough. But this was the first time I ever see Umusa mentioning anything negative about Utobile. First time. In all the seasons, that's why I'm saying that he didn't even have anything bad to say about her in all the seasons. That's because Tobile is anytime there's a mission that needs to be done, Tobile is like, I'm putting my feelings aside regardless of how I feel. This is the goal. This is what we need to do. I'm going to do that. We're going to move forward. And I think that's what Musa appreciates about Utobile, that she can be his peace. While other wives will be sulking about many things, Tobile will be on Musa's side. Like, she's got that man's back. But everyone gets tired at a certain point, you guys. Like, everyone gets tired. And I feel like that's the explanation Musa's looking for. That is the reason everyone gets tired. Everyone gets tired. So please do tell me, guys, what do you think of this whole situation of a wife number don umusa uyasho ukuthi like what does it matter with, yeah, he does actually say ukuthi indaba yokuthi like who's wife number 1, number 2, number 3, it's a serious thing. And Utobile, before, she said she didn't care about who's wife number don, but I feel like she does actually care, because as Tenjin, being like your ranking as a wife really does matter. It does speak of like how much you can input to the family. Like it means ukuthi at certain times when if you are wife number 4, like umangwabi uzogcinwa ngawe. So imagine if umangwabi was not working, and imagine she could not do things for herself. Kushuguti, Yena should always be at the mercy of Umusa and other people and the other wives, because she's the lost wife. So ranking as Tenjin really does matter. No matter how Utobile might have detelad Umayeni in the house, but it does matter. And I truly honestly think I don't think guys Umakumalo like is telling a lie. I honestly do think there's a truth in what she's saying. But knowing Musa, he will defend whatever truth, he will defend whatever narrative he wants to be pushed forward. And it's unfortunate that at this time he's willing to defend the fact that Umayeni came first as a wife over the fact that Utobile was already present as a wife in the situation. Anyway, please do make sure that you like this video. Please do also subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.